Vince, hello. Alright, I know you guys are very much excited about what's gonna happen today. At maraming tayong kailangang malaman after natin panoorin yung first 2 episodes ng High Street. I know everybody's so excited, pero bago yan, of course, I'd like to introduce my co-host for today. We have, of course, Eric John Salud, Tito EJ, to entertain all our questions from the media, okay? Pero maya-maya lang mga kasama na natin ating cast ng High Street, the new ones, and new
actually, Krish, Genial, they're here now. Okay.
Alright, they're here now. Finally, mapapanood at makikita na natin din sila in flesh. Well, kanina, ang ganda dito, EJ, ng mga eksena.
Katabi tayo sa Cinema 2, di ba? We watched the episode.
Yes, at grabe ang reactions, of course, ng media natin. And of course, ngayon nakikita na nga natin pumapasok na isa-isa.
Ito na yung Silence of the Lambs, di ba? Nakaka-eerie, no? Ang eerie ng hospital scene.
Termo, nakakainis.
I know.
Termo. Alright, of course, we have here, entering now, Zijan Heredia, J.K. Labajor, Juan Carlos. Of course, we have Miki Jimenez, Miss Angel Aquino.
You can't separate us.
Of course, we have Direk Onan. Isa-isa sila pumapasok.
Ayan, si Direk Eric is siya nang nag-blocking at saka si Direk TJ Tulabot, our AD.
Alright, of course, we have Kian Cipriano. We also have Tommy Alejandrino, Jala Taide, and Ralph De Leon. AC Bonifacio, we have Cyril Manabat, Miss Ana Abad,
Ang husay ng Ana Abad sa
yes. We have also Elijah Catlas, Harvey Bautista. Hello everyone. Yan, napakalaki ng cast natin.
Cheryl Magina, dito na rin.
Yes, napakalaki ng cast natin.
Angeli Bayani.
And of course, we have Andrea Brillantes with us.
And Direk Lino Cayetano.
Yes. Ayan. Hintayin lang natin maging ready ang lahat. Pero kamusta ba? Kamusta ba ang media? After watching that 2 episodes, ano na-feel? Na-stress? Intense? Nagalit?
Is the live stream recording na ba tayo para sa official na yung opening skinny yung live streaming natin? Yung recorded live streaming? Okay, you may do it now, Ms. Kenya. Can you open the live streaming?
Alright, hello mga kapamilya. Welcome, of course, to the Grand MediaCon of the series High Street. Talaga namang inabangan natin itong lahat. At kagabi nga, napanood nyo na ang red carpet at masayang-masaya tayo to see all of them here. And we're very happy, of course, na makita ang ating buong cast na ngayon parang chill after nila panoorin, of course, ang first 2 episodes. But of course, batiin din natin ang ating mga kapamilya online. Hello po sa inyo dyan, sa inyong mga tahanan. Sana po ay mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating Grand MediaCon. And of course, if you wanna say anything, i-tweet niyo po kami. Gamitin niyo lamang po ang ating official hashtag. For the day, we have hashtag High-Street-Grand-MediaCon, and also we have hashtag High-Street-Domination. And of course, we also have Miss Dimples Romana.
Of course! The Dimples Romana made it! Wow!
Alright. Well, kanina nakita na rin natin the trailer, no? Before we even watch the first 2 episodes. Sabi talaga doon, higher. Higher the pressure, higher the thrill, and higher the excitement. Of course, ipapakilala ko rin sa inyo ang ating mga kasama for today. We have Eric John Salud.
Hello! Wow! Okay. Siya, di ba kami magkakasama ng production team? Congratulations sa unit of Eric Salud. Direct! Congratulations! Miss BJ, Miss Camille, Miss Mimi, Miss Pam, everyone! Si TJ, Direct MS Silvestre, congratulations ang pong-gawag ng pilot. Di ba, Miss Camille?
Ayan, Tito EJ. But of course, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of napakadami po natin kasama dito ngayon sa Dreamscape Entertainment Executives. We have the head of Dreamscape Entertainment. We have Miss Kylie Manalo Balitan. We also have the creative head of Dreamscape Entertainment, Mr. Rondel Indaya. And the Dreamscape Entertainment Business Unit Head, of Congratulations, we have Mr. Ken Choi here. Maraming salamat.
And his team, full force, di ba?
Oo, grabe, sobrang supportive, no? Kasi with the traffic outside, alam ko, napakainit, but you guys are all here. Of course, to our media friends, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdating.
Siyempre, Miss Gaynor, hindi pinaramdam ng SM Aura ang init sa atin.
Yes, yun
Dahil ang sarap ng venue! Ang lamig!
Segue natin siya. Thank you so much.
Walang nagdapot.
Yes, totoo yan. Well, I think our media friends are already excited to ask questions sa ating mga cast na talaga namang lahat sila nandito. So, I think
Papabatiin ba natin sila? Siguro later on pagsasagot na sila.
Yes, oo.
Gusto ko lang I'd like to hear from our two directors.
Okay, go ahead.
Direct Lino Cayetano, greet everyone muna. Please.
Thank you sa pinakamamahal naming mga miyembro ng press. Thank you for being here. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations. Napakalaking pribileyo na maging parte ng isang show na napakamakabuluhan. I loved watching Senior High, but also I loved yung message ng Senior High.
Iba din.
Iba.
Oh.
So it's talaga a privilege to be working with this team. Direk Onan, thank you, and thank you to Dreamscape. I love what I'm doing here.
Oh.
Yes.
And of course, the award-winning world-class Arnasias!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat sa pinamamahalang press people, sa mga vloggers na sumuporta sa amin mula pa man ng Senior High. I welcome you back. Maraming salamat po sa muling pag-suporta sa amin, pagtulong sa amin to spread the word about our show, and I hope you enjoy the show the way we enjoy doing it.
May pin-experience sa atin today. We were able to watch the pilot day on Miss Gaynor, ano?
First 2 episodes din eh. Masasabi ko lang, congratulations na agad. Grabe, Direk Lino. The cast, talagang grabe. Pero I think, Tito EJ, maganda rin. Mag-hi na rin ngayon ang ating sila Andrea Brilliant.
Isa-isahin mo na yan, Miss Gaynor.
Yes, go ahead. Cyril? Cyril na lang muna.
Let's start with yung mga child wonder. Child wonder! Nanganganak na ngayon dito.
Good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta and pagsama sa amin sa special po na date na to. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung ginawa namin, and thank you po. We're so happy to have you guys.
Ang ganda ng character doon ni Cyril.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Nagtitimpla ng gatas.
Thank you po.
Pero na-enjoy talaga natin yun. Next we have, of course, Elijah Canla.
Woo!
Hello po, good evening, afternoon pa lang pala. Good afternoon everyone. Yun nga po, salamat for being here. Aside from that, we're excited to hear your thoughts and your questions. Kaya excited po for this afternoon. Thank you.
Tapos dito naman sa side na to tayo, Miss Gaynor,
Alright.
Arvin Rans! Ito suki ito eh.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being here, and sana mag-enjoy pa po tayo ngayong afternoon. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Alright, thank you. And of course, Miss Angeli.
Maraming salamat din po sa inyo lahat for joining us today. I hope, tulad po na sinabi nila, you're as excited as we are. Thank you so much for joining us again today.
Ibang kilabot factor ng bagong show, ano?
Correct.
Kanina talagang sabi ko, ay iba to. Ibang ibibigay ng High Street.
At hindi nakaupo sa chair si Tito EJ kanina.
I was watching sa aisle.
Nasa aisle na siya.
Wow, kumaka-aisle. Tulong-tulong kasi yung cinema to.
Totoo.
And of course, Gerald Madrid.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng press people, sa mga kaibigan po namin dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo. And yung sa mga nakatutok sa streaming ngayon, magandang tanghali po.
Hindi pa namin napanood sa first 2. Wala pa, no?
Sa susunod pa yata.
Parang hindi na. Charing lang!
Hindi kaya ganun natin abangan.
Hindi. Matutuwa ka ako. Ako ba?
Pinapasaya ko sila
ng EJ.
Of course. Thank you, Je.
Thank you.
Yes, next we have, of course, Miggy Jimenez.
Good afternoon po everyone. We're officially back. So, yun nga po sana na-enjoy nyo, and please bear with us kasi first time din namin panood yung ginawa namin this past few weeks, months. So, Yo, let's have the, you know, yung amats lang na enjoyin lang natin dun. Yeah. So, thank you guys.
Nakaka-in-love yung character niya sa reunion, ano? Tapos naririnig niyang yung love ni, ano, kay, di ba, kakatawa. Yung kay Zijan tsaka sa'yo, di ba? Yung kilig part.
Yes.
Sana all may ganun tayo, di ba?
Oo. At yun talaga yung aabangan because kasama din natin, of course,
Another child
we have,
wonder.
yes, Zijan Aranilla.
Z!
Hello everyone, magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo at sana suportahan na rin po natin yung High Street katulad ng pagsuporta nyo noon sa senior high. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat.
We had fun, of course.
Super enjoy na agad kami first 2 episodes. Of course, we have Kian Cipriano.
Kian dito, mahal na mahal na talaga siya.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo sa suporta sa show namin. And salamat sa oras nyo. Salamat dahil alam namin tutulungan nyo kami to spread the word. And ako, maging parte lang nitong napakalupit na cast na to, napakalupit na team, mga director namin, buong production. Maraming salamat, Dreamscape, for coming up with this wonderful material.
Of course.
Yes, we love that, yung babe, no? Yung babe na nandun with Angel. Alright, of course, we also have here Ralph De Leon.
Who is a member of our new cast ng Angla.
Una po, maraming po salamat sa lahat po ng press at media na sumuporta po sa amin today. Alam ko po, hindi pa ako napakita sa first 2 episodes pero marami po maabangan.
Sa next year ba?
So week 4 yata makapunta.
Week 4.
Alright, we also have AC Bonifacio.
AC!
Hello po everyone, I'm AC Bonifacio. Thank you so much for coming here today. Thank you for taking the time to be here and thank you for the continuous support from Senior High to High Street. Thank you for also welcoming me, the cast, as a newbie here. It's just been such an honor. Kaya maraming salamat.
Ace, alam ko bago yung character mo. Alam ko namang hindi lang yan basta young reporter. Alam ko may pupuntahan pa yan. What can you assure your followers? Kasi first,
Oh no! Bawal po ako mag-spoil! Basta ngayon po, I'm so...
Just tell us how exciting that the character is.
What you guys are doing now, that is what I am doing as Nikki in the show. That is what she is. And she will grow in that job, in her passion with Wesley and Sky po.
Alright. Oo, diretso kay Sky.
Parang may pagkakikay doon si AC, diba?
Tamad na reporter.
Saan ako nakita sa sarili?
Ayaw, interview yung by floor. Sumuko agad.
But anyway, I think we'll see more of AC Jan for sure. Of course, we also have Harvey.
Harvey! Harvey's na! Ano bang brand ng camera mong dalawa?
Paiba-iba palagi eh. Mali sa continuity.
May ama ng show.
Pero ayun po, thank you po for being here. Thank you for being here.
Go na.
I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Siyempre, ayun, first time nga po namin makita yung cut na napanood po natin lahat. I hope you enjoyed. Siyempre, thank you sa Dreamscape and this whole team for accepting the 3 of us dito sa family ninyo. Exciting, kinakabahan ako, pero yeah, thank you so much.
Alright!
Of course, ang newly engaged. Tommy Alejandrino.
Ang may dance fraud ng Merrily Merry You.
Hello po, thank you so much for coming. Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung dance na sana more pa. Tama na, okay na yung isa. Tama na yan.
Of course, we also have Jala Ataide.
Hi, Jala!
Hi everyone, thank you for being here. Yeah, I just want to say that this is just a start. There's so much more to come. Nagsisimula pa lang po yung show and we hope that you enjoyed what you saw and we hope that you will enjoy what's to come. Yeah.
Siya yung nag-invite for the reunion na tapos almost everyone made it. Alright. Next naman, oh Diyos ko naman itong next naman. Ano ba?
We love the character.
Hello, hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're excited to watch the next episodes because we're also very excited to go on with High Street, and I hope you I hope you like the character, where they're going, as I do, and as you know, my hubby here. That's just as crazy. But anyway, maraming salamat po. And I hope you enjoy. Crazier pala, crazier.
Nakakatakot itong mga to. Ito na po, of course, Mon Confiado!
Thank you po sa inyo lahat for being here. Actually, first time po namin napanood yun. Ako mismo kinilabutan dun sa mga eksenang kinuna namin ni Direk Onat and Direk Lino. Pero promise, wala pa po yun. Parang introduction pa lang ng mga characters. Mas grabe ang magiging mga susunod na kabanata. Ibang-iba. Intense.
Saka nakakainis talaga yung character ni Sir Mon. And talaga.
Natutulog, kainis ka, wala nang ginagawa.
Saka alam mo yung acting talaga nang hindi ka naman nakakapagsalita ng lines. Talagang...
Pinabubuhay na mamatay, tapos bigla nagka-flatline, tapos buhay na naman.
At isabanta talaga ng sobra para mabuhay. I love that.
Close up si Ana Abad Santos with that, oh my goodness, unbelievable performance, ang husay.
Alright, of course, next we have Miss Dimples.
Thank you. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Alam mo kasi bagong salita ako, so nalalamig yung kamay ko katabi kasi ko. Kung nakakatakot ka pala. Alam niyo po ba si Kuya Mon, syempre magkatrabaho na kami also with Direk Lino back in Once Upon a Time. And as you know, the Mon Confiado has been in the business for 70 years. Sorry! 67 pala! No, but I'm so excited. I'm always very excited, Direk Onat, no? Tayo, and I love you so naman tayo nila Ate Angel. At kami ni Blythe, in Kadyan ng Ginto. Si JK, nung The Voice Kids pa siya. Joke! No, but I'm so happy po that I'm part of the cast. As you know, this is the first teleserye I've accepted after a long break, no? And of course, it should be with Dreamscape. And I was so excited. I'm sure I share the same heart and sentiment when we say we dedicate this particular one for Sir Deo. Kasi as in the passion alone, you feel it on set with everyone, pati our crew, our staff, our creatives. Iba yung pusong dala-dala ngayon because of that. But more than anything, as you know, in my career, I always like working with young people. So, sobrang excited ko po, nakatrabaho ko ulit si Sijan. Si Sijan po, nung katrabaho ko nung hulihan, 2 pa lang siya. Joke pala. 1? Ay, bastusan pala talaga dito. No, but thank you for coming, and we love seeing all our familiar faces from the media here. Lahat naman kayo kaibigan namin, so excited po kami.
Dims, alam mo naman how grateful we are na umuo ka doing this. Alam mo naman, alam mo na, kung gaano ka-close kay the great Deo and Nancy Dimples. May mga lunches sila. Yes. And I'm happy that she's back with us. All her iconic teleseries have been with Dreamscape.
And Tito EJ, I remember I was able to talk to Miss Dimples, no? Parang 2 weeks ago na ba ata?
Yes,
and nasabi mo, you took a break for like 7 months.
Yes, I did.
And dito ka lang talaga bumalik, kaya naman talaga very happy.
And that was with intention as well, because I've had conversations with Sir Day, and we were supposed to do something else, but as you know, the Lord works in different ways. So, this one, I'm so sure, ma-excite kayong gawin. Ay, sana lang hindi ako mapatay ni Go. Ay, hindi ka sure! Talaga pala!
Ay, hindi pa namin alam kasi ang ganda-ganda naman dito.
Ano ba ito?
Saka siya lang yung nahulog sa bike na sobrang ganda.
Ay, sorry po.
Okay.
Alright, we all have...
Another day, and Janelle Baby. Angel Aquino.
Introduction na. Mas gusto ko
Ayaw mo na ng The Great Angel Aquino.
Deo and Renal Baby. Claim ko talaga yan. But maraming salamat for spending your afternoon with us. As a fan of Senior High, kasi nung ginagawa namin Senior High, pinapanood ko rin talaga siya. And I did not miss an episode. So when I saw this again, yes, I was your fan. So when I saw this, I was so delighted to see everyone grow and everyone become their new selves now. Yung mas adult, mas mga nag-adulting na ng mga bata from Northford. So I hope that you were as delighted as I was watching the 2 episodes. Sobra akong nabitin, and I can't wait to see at least the first week, sana kung first week, siguro mas buo yung experience namin. But yeah, I was so amazed by all the acting.
True.
Miss Anna, grabe naman yun eh. Yun, totoo naman yun. But, and everyone else, I'm sure, kahit yung mga hindi nyo pa napanood kanina, everyone here we all give 100% of ourselves and even more because this is something that we're doing for Dreamscape, for Sardeo, and of course for the people who have been supporting Senior High and then now High Street. Thank you very much for you.
Ang gwapo-gwapo niya dito, ano?
Yes.
Umayat eh. Talagang pinagandaan ng season 2, ang part 2.
Wow! Doon ko talaga nakita kanina na grabe pala talaga sa Juan Carlos.
Nag-isang Juan Carlos!
Hello! Hi, good afternoon po everyone. Hindi maganda tingnan. Hindi maganda tingnan. Hi, maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng oras sa inyong araw para supportahan po ang High Street. Hindi ko alam ba't dalawang may gamit ko. Pero ayun, and I just want
ano po yata dito?
And I just want to say thank you first of all, Dreamscape and ABS for giving me this opportunity. Kasi naalala ko kay Direk Onat nung Senior High, sabi ko, Direk, baka naman pwede humingi ng tagtag scenes lang kahit paano, di ba? Tapos di ko naman nakala isang buong season ang ibibigay. So, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. And honestly, it's one of the best things that I spend my time on, especially with all of these people that I'm sharing this stage with. And kasi, I just learned so much, especially from all of these people that I've worked from Senior High and then all of the new ones that I'm excited and looking forward to work with. And sobrang nakakataba lang ng puso, sa totoo lang. And ayun, maraming salamat. And abangan niyo kasi maraming mga pasabak.
Alam mo, nag-mature si Juan Carlos kasi that's the first show namin. Ang kulit-kulit niya nung media. Hindi as kulit as before kasi with Kyle. Ngayon, hindi ba siya? Leading man lang.
Stop!
Pero maganda talaga yung character ngayon ni Juan Carlos. But of course, we have here Andrea Brillantes.
She delivers every time. Andrea Brillantes!
Sorry po, ang kulit kasi ni Shakey. Hello po sa inyo lahat, good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana po nagustuhan nyo yung napanood ninyo at sa mga sumuporta po sa Senior High at nandun, no, meron din kaming ganito po ng Senior High, maraming salamat. Sana po supportahan nyo ang High Street. Katulad ng pag-supporta niyo po sa Senior High. Ayun lang. Excited ako sa mga tanong ninyo so hindi ko na po papahabain pa. Let's do this!
And with that, thank you all for coming. Charot lang, tinapos na.
Done na pala siya. But before that, Tito EJ, again, I know we have like a lot of audience sa online world. Muli, gamitin niyo po ang ating official hashtag for today. That's hashtag high-street-grand-mediacon. And also we have another one. That's hashtag high-street-domination. Ayan, napakadami niya. Daming dash! Napakadaming dash. But of course,
hindi mo work ang hashtag sa dash. Ang dash ang hashtag, ha?
So, dapat wala.
Wala.
So, dapat okay, so ulitin po natin. Sa ating
Chi, ikaw yan eh. Nasaan si Chi Bautista?
Alright.
Sige, later on, we will fix that.
Pwede po natin gamitan ng hashtag high-street-grand-mediacon and hashtag high-street-domination.
Ayun.
Ikwento niyo po sa amin kung anong mga gusto niyo makita, maikwento o maitanong sa ating cast. Baka po mabasa po namin yan. Alright!